So next question number 7. Show that y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x, where x is greater than minus 1, is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. What is domain here? Domain is greater than minus 1. We have to prove that this function is increasing function for all its domain. Domain is greater than minus 1. So again, in this particular problem, the differentiation part and simplification part is difficult. Using the concepts of increasing, decreasing, it's not at all difficult. Observe carefully. Okay, so consider the function y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. Differentiate y with respect to x. In barata hai, which rule? You can use a chain rule of this concept. Log of f of x is 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So it will be equal to 1 by 1 plus x into differentiation of 1 plus x will be equal to 1. So use the quotient rule u by v, where u is equal to x, v is equal to 2 plus x. So what is the quotient rule? Differentiation of 2x, that is 2, into v, that is 2 plus x, okay, minus 2 plus x, okay, which the differentiation is 1 and 2x will come as it is. So divided by 2 plus x whole square. So quotient rule artha aitalva. Continue simplification. 1 by 1 plus x minus, okay, here multiply first numerator, 4 plus 2x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x whole square. Alva? Continue simplification. Just observe carefully, I just multiplied, that's it. So next slide, next simplification is there. So the same term is there here, okay. When you simplify this, okay, you will get like this. Take LCM and simplify, that is better. Instead of writing one and second the same step, okay, take LCM in this case and simplify further. 4 heg band gota aitalva. Okay, I'll show you the previous slide again. See, minus 2x plus 2x cancel agate, so remaining is 4. So the last term after simplification is this, and for this expression you take LCM. Okay, take LCM. LCM is 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. Okay, 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. For that, 2 plus x whole square will be multiplied to 1, 1 plus x will be multiplied to 4. Continue simplification. 4 plus x square plus 4x minus 4x divided by 2 plus x whole square into 1 plus x. Yeah, here plus 4x minus 4x cancel. Correct? Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. All cancel agate. Only remaining is x square by 2 plus x whole square into 1 plus x. Understood? Okay, fine. Now observe carefully. Question, show that the function is strictly increasing in the domain. What is the domain? X is greater than minus 1. So this should be greater than 0 because we have to use the condition strictly increasing. And in this expression, x square is positive always. For whatever the x square is positive, 2 plus x whole square is always positive because again square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ problem ಬಂದು ಈ term ಇಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, strictly increasing and the whole thing should be positive. That means, okay, x square is positive, 2 plus x whole square positive. So strictly increasing implies 1 plus x must be positive. Alva? Strictly increasing means differentiation of that is greater than 0. So implies 1 plus x must be greater than 0. So what does this implies? X is greater than minus 1. Here we assume that the function is strictly increasing and we got the interval that x is greater than minus 1. X is greater than minus 1 is nothing but the given domain. So what is the question asked? Did you remember? Show that this function is strictly increasing in the domain. So after assuming that it is strictly increasing, we proved that it is increasing in the interval x is greater than minus 1. It is given domain. So proof completed. I hope you understood. So different is the conclusion. Result and assume we got some interval and that interval is nothing but the given domain in the question. Understood? Very good. So next question. The same thing which I explained just now. Okay. So next question. Find the values of x for which y is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square is strictly increasing function. Now again we have to find out the interval. Values are nothing but intervals for which this function is strictly increasing. Function is strictly increasing function. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the remaining part, that increasing decreasing part will be very simple, nothing to worry about it. Okay. So take the function and start differentiating. Expansion ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It is not difficult for you. Chain rule ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes. So use chain rule and differentiate 2 times. Okay, 2 times x into x minus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and differentiate x into x minus 2. X into x minus 2 ek differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ product rule. X into differentiation of x minus 2 is 1, so it becomes plus. X minus 2 into differentiation of x will be 1. So it is 2 times x into x minus 2, x 2x minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 into x minus 1 and this one. It's ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು differentiation using product rule and chain rule. This is simple simplification of that. Simplify further. So you can write this as 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, and we have to find out the interval where it is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing and greater than 0. Which is greater than 0? Y dash is greater than 0. So what is y dash? 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Illiga ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, but I'll give you one shortcut method because here we have product of 3 terms. So last problem, cubic polynomial, the problem and concept in use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will take a lot of time, it become very lengthy. For this particular method, one shortcut method is that it is allowed in a board exam, don't worry. So this much you understood, no? Very good. So as okay, you know it's strictly increasing, so greater than 0. So in greater than 0, y dash is greater than 0, and what is y dash? Remember that? So y dash is 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 is greater than 0. Observe carefully, 4 is already greater than 0 alba. Adakku tarakettkolbekantile 4 is already greater than 0. So because of that, other 3 term must be, other 3 term must be greater than 0. As I told, I'll give you one shortcut method which is a method different from the previous problem. So first find out the values of x for which this expression is 0. For how many values of x this expression will be equal to 0? Y dash is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, 1, 2, because when you put x equal to 0, this product will be 0. When you put x equal to 1, this will be 0. So because of that, everything is 0. When you put x equal to 2, this will be 0. Because of that, everything will be 0. So y dash is 0 at 1, 0 and 2. The shortcut method is you have to express this. Okay, you have to express this in a one real line. So using that, you can write the final answer. Now listen carefully. Okay, I am giving one shortcut method. This is very useful for entrance exam, especially JEE Main and CET. Observe this carefully, and it is allowed in a board exam also when this particular question is asked. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is positive. Correct? Now I wrote one line where I marked 3 points 0, 1, 2 because y dash is 0 at 0, 1, 2. First decide how many points you have to mark on the real line. How to decide? Like this. Find the values of x where the first order derivative is equal to 0. Artha aita? In plus minus ಬರೋದು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? I will explain that. Take a number less than 0. Any number less than 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. For example, take x equal to minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಹಾಕಿ minus, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So product of 3 negative negative. So I wrote minus. Minus infinity in the 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, whatever it may be. From from 0 to minus infinity, you take any number, this will be always negative. Although this part will be always negative, y dash will be always negative. Take a value between 0 and 1, check whether it is positive or negative. Okay, half. This is positive, this is negative, this is negative. Andre, ಎರಡು negative, one positive. So what is the product? Positive. Correct? Next, take number between 1 and 2, 3 by 2. Positive, positive, negative. Andre, ಎರಡು positive, one negative. Negative. Take a number more than 2, 3. Positive, positive, positive. All are positive, so it is positive. Now why this is required, I'll tell you. Actually what we decided up to now, we decided the sign of y dash. We decided whether y dash is positive or negative in the different interval. ಎಷ್ಟು interval ಇದೆ? Minus infinity in the 0 ಗೆ ಒಂದು interval, 0 in the 1 again ಒಂದು interval, 1 to 2 another interval, 2 to infinity the fourth interval. So we verified y dash whether it is positive or negative in the different interval. Now using this you can decide the interval for which function is strictly increasing. This, remember, this is a sign, this is required where y dash is greater than 0, greater than 0 andre positive between 0 and 1, 1 to 2. So y dash, so y is increasing function in the interval. For which interval? Elli positive ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ interval positive ಇದೆ? 0 to 1 as well as union or 2 to infinity. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So y dash is increasing in the interval 0 to 1 and 2 to infinity. Benefit of this is, you are writing the solution of increasing function, we can write the solution of decreasing also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ negative ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, because of this graph, y is a decreasing function. Negative part ಯಾವುದು? Minus infinity in the 0, then 1 to 2. Minus infinity in the 0, 1 to 2. That's this extra part. It is not asked in this particular problem, but okay, because of this new method, we can write even interval for the decreasing case also. Got it? What I am telling? Artha aita? So this is the shortcut method. Even you can use this method in the previous problem also. You try. It's better try because this will be very useful in entrance exam. Board exam you go use ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ particular problem ಗೆ this method is better because ನೀವು ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ lengthy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is better than okay the original method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, fine. Next. Prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta between 0 to pi by 2. Okay? Yeah, this is again simplification wise, differentiation wise may be difficult, but this is easy to get. The answer is very easy to get, or it's very easy to prove that it is okay increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. But differentiation part tumma careful agirbeku as well as simplification part. So first I will show you that the differentiation part. Can you try differentiation? Which rule is required? Obvious, you know, quotient rule. Fine. So consider the function and start differentiating using quotient rule. Yeah, first second part quotient rule beda simplify LCM tegolbedi direct agi differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. Second part will be easy to differentiate because differentiation with respect to theta, remember differentiation with respect to theta, so d theta by d theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. Okay, so y dash is equal to quotient rule apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು 2 plus cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ v, differentiation of u differentiation of v divided by v square. Correct? And don't forget that differentiation of theta which is equal to minus 1. It's ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, substitute ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟೇ differentiation ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So again I will display okay the previous step which is in the previous line. Now continue differentiation as well as simplification. So 2 plus cos theta, differentiation of 4 sin theta I know 4 cos theta minus okay ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ differentiation of sin theta I know cos theta, so easy. Okay, I'll tell you why it become plus. Okay, 4 sin theta, what is the differentiation of this? 2 in a differentiation I know 0, cos theta differentiation I know minus sin theta, illinda on minus idu minus, so become plus, so it is sin theta divided by denominator, don't expand it, keep as it is. It's good, and don't forget to write this minus 1. First you simplify numerator, okay, just multiply, right? And take LCM, both can be done together. Multiplying and taking LCM can be done together, okay, like this. It ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ 2 into 4 it's 8 cos theta and here cos square theta. This is simple. Okay, what is 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so it become 4. 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus, you can skip this step, nothing to worry, okay, or bardru parvagilla square, and remaining steps are as it is. Is gottaಯ್ತಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ 4 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, and because this is equal to 1, next term ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ next step. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next again the same thing will display because it was there in the previous slide. Now ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1, so because of that it is only equal to 4. Now better to expand this 4 minus ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, e minus cos square theta minus again 4 cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel, simplify further, 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 cos theta, keep the second term as it is and denominator as it is. Now we have to find out the interval for which this function is strictly increasing, andre y dash should be greater than 0. Okay, since answer is given you can use, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ, ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So whatever it may, we can use okay in any way. I am using the given interval to check whether this is greater than 0. If you prove that this interval for this interval y dash is greater than 0, you prove that or you find out that this is the answer for the given question. Okay, what is the interval given 0 to pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first quadrant. First quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos theta is always between 0 and 1. First quadrant ಅಲ್ವಾ, so 4 cos theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ between 0 and 4. This is maybe more than 4. And cos square theta it's always between 0 and 1. So ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು actually, which number is big? This number is bigger than this. This number will be bigger than this. okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ 4 this can be 4 less than 3 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು 2 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, but this must be 1. So first term is bigger than the second term, so obvious numerator is, okay, first term is greater than second term, so difference should be positive. Denominator already you saw, it's a square of a number, so definitely it is positive. So the y dash will be positive by, yeah, this is positive alva, positive by positive will be positive. Artha aita? This number is more than this, so subtraction will be positive. This is square of something will be positive, so positive by positive will be positive for all theta, or for theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Artha aita? So we proved that the y dash is greater than 0 for every theta between 0 to pi by 2, and this is asked in the question alva. So y is an increasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Y is an increasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2. I hope you understood. Very good. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ complicated case in the simplification as well as the differentiation little difficult. This part is not at all difficult. The method ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, that's it. Use it and prove that this is the interval where the function is strictly increasing. Understood? But increase, not strictly, just increasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2. I hope you understood. Okay. Next question, prove the logarithmic function is strictly increasing on 0 to infinity. This is simple question. Okay, observe carefully. Logarithmic function is log x. Confusion agbedi. The given function is log x, and you have to prove that it is always an increasing function. Hege prove ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Simple ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ try ಮಾಡಿ. F of x is given. What we have to find out? F dash of x. What is f dash of x? 1 by x. Correct? F dash of x will be 1 by x. Now if x belongs to 0 to infinity, prove that function is okay, interval 0 to infinity. Suppose x is belongs to 0 to infinity, and what it means? Positive. For x is positive, alva. We know that 1 by x is always positive, and it is not equal to 0 also. Why it is not equal to 0? 0 ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 0 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, because 1 by 0 will be not defined. Okay, so 1 by x will be always positive for all x belongs to 0 to infinity. That means the f of x, which is equal to log x, okay, is always increasing, okay, or strictly increasing in the interval 0 to infinity. So it's strictly increasing in the interval 0 to infinity. Artha aita heltirodu? Understood what I am telling? So simple logarithmic function ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ log x, differentiation ಮಾಡಿ, and again last problem ಏನು trick use ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ trick use ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So you have to prove that in the interval this function is strictly increasing. Use it. X belongs to 0 to infinity, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by x is positive, 1 by x will never be equal to 0 for every x belongs to that interval. So f dash of x is positive for all x belongs to 0 to infinity, strictly increasing function. Understood? Thank you.